Today is Thursday, July 18th. This is the 1970 Cadillac Deville Convertible AC Power Servo unit. This is for my friend Al in North Dakota. This is a level 10 fully restored unit. The unit has been completely disassembled, and this is one of my inventory units that I'm shipping out to Al as part of his advanced swap requirement. This is his existing unit that was sent in to me, which was fried to a crisp. The circuit board was severely overheated and fried, and the entire center section has fallen off. This is what it should look like in the center. And the electricals were completely toasted and flaked off, as well as the swivel plate having been overheated and the electrical copper prongs melted and bent over, and the tips broken off that have the electrical contacts that swing over the circuit board. Okay, all that was melted away and burned to toast. In addition, we had other problems with the 4-port redirect manifold having been corroded and contaminated and non-functional as well. So none of that is important anymore since I'm sending Al a completely restored unit. So I'm going to do a functional validation test under vacuum. I'll be going ahead and hand pumping the unit, and as I do so, we can see how the unit collapses on the activator actuator, forcing the tail to come in and sliding the contact plate across the circuit board. Okay, and we have good and constant vacuum integrity at 9 pounds. And now I'll go ahead and release it to atmosphere. And the unit relaxes as it's supposed to. So this will be shipping out to my friend Al as soon as I get his okay to ship. Reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage 1967 to 1976 Cadillac items, through 59 actually, from 1959 through 1976. I specialize in the Eldorados from 67 through 78. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items, including the air conditioning components, which comprise the air conditioning power servo units from 64 through 70, the AC programmer units from 71 through 78, the valve-in receiver replacements, and condensers, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Thursday, July 18th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.